All right, this is part 4 of Clap by Steve Howe from Yes. So at this point, we're back to kind of the original riff. So we're going to do those first 4 chords. We got the 7s with the 10. And that picking thing, we start in the D string, go to the little E, and then we hit those 2 in between. Then we have a G shape here. D with the F sharp bass. And then we have A. Same strings picking the whole time. And then we're going to come. So the second time through, we're going to change to this chord here. This is like a B7. So we have the B bass. We have a 2 on the G string and a 4 on the B string. So we're going strings 5 to 2 to 3. So those 2 pieces together are like. And we come to the 9th fret. Okay, so that was the same as the first part, just in a different fret. We got the A here. And that becomes like a 7 chord there. 4, 2, 4, 2. So. Come down that far, those first 3, and then got a big 3. We're going to do a little bend to the open there. Okay, so what it ends up being is open E. We're going to hit the 2 on the D string, the 1 on the 3rd string, and the little open E down here. So we got. And here we had a big E with a 3 down here. So we had. Okay, so we have a 3, and it goes back and forth to that bass note. Have a hammer on O to 3, bass again, little E, and on the 1 on the 3rd string. So it's. Okay, then we're going to pop up here to this thing from before. Kind of a boom, boom. Here we have a little bend on the 3 on the A string to the open A. So that was. This is your F sharp 7 chord, kind of like we did before. We got a bass chord, we got alternate bass. Down those notes there. And then we're going to hit the bass over here. Kind of with that higher note. So. And then we got. So before we went to like the 8 to 7 and did something there. But now we got 3 to open. And we have 5s in here. We're going to kind of alternate between the A bass and those 5s. 5 on the D and 5 on the B. So it's. So back and forth. And then we have. So alternating with the A bass, we have a open to 3 in there, another A bass. 6 twice there in the G string. So this whole thing ends up being. So you can kind of give it like a chick. Okay, so our next thing is we're going to do big E string with the G string open in 1, and then they're all the same frets, 2s, 3s, 4s, all the way up to the 8. Okay, so it's. Then we have a new part. So we have E bass, and then we have the 7 on the A with 5 on the B string. So we got back to the E, and then we have a 7 and 8 on those same 2 strings. Go to that 5 after that 8 there on the 2nd string. Then we're going to hit the little 9 with the open E. Go to that 5 on the 2nd string. And then we hit the E bass again with 8 to 5 on the 2nd string. So it's. Okay, then we're back to the. So all the same stuff there. Now this time the walk-up's only going to go to the 7. Hit that one twice. We're going to go. Okay, so we got. So 2 12s down here. pull off. Same thing on the second string. And then 11 to 9 on the G. Got a quick slide into the 13. You go to the little 12 there and you come back. So we got. Okay. Down, pull off again. Down to that one, and then 2 of these things. We got 9 to 11 on the D, down to 9 on the G. And then we're going to take the A string, take that 11 down to 9 to 7. Another pull off to that low 9 there. E chord. Okay, so we got. And then we have a new part. Okay, so it's little 1. And then 2 to 3 on the second string, back to that open E. 3 on the G to open B. 4 on the D to open G. 5 on the A down here. So we got. And then we're going to go. So you got 3 to 4 to little open. Down to 2 and open. Pull off, back to the 2. Hammer here. So we got the hammer O to 1 on the G string. 2 on the D. Hit an E. And then we come up to this major 6-9 chord up here. So that's open, 11, 11, 11, 12, 12. Okay, so our part 4, all of our new stuff. That new thing. Just the 7 twice there, and then the last thing. And then the open 2, 3. All right, Clap by Steve Howe.